So you've just signed up for Ardent Seller. Nice! One of the first things you'll want to know is how to add a product to your inventory. In the next couple minutes, we'll create one from scratch. Name, price, starting stock, and all. Let's get into it. In the sidebar, open the Deliver section and click Products. This is where all your sellable items live. You can see the existing products in your list. To add a new one, click the Add Product button in the top right. The Create Product panel slides open on the right. Start by typing a name. Let's call this one Cinnamon Spice Candle. Add a quick description so you remember what it is. Below that, tags are your own color-coded labels. Click Add Tags to pick from the ones already on your account, or type a new one and create it right there. For the tracking unit, we'll keep it as unit since we're counting individual candles. And let's set a bin location so we know where to find it in the workshop. We'll say Shelf B3. Keep scrolling, and the next section is Variants. If this candle came in 3 sizes, you'd add them here, and each variant would carry its own SKU and price. We're keeping it simple, so we'll skip past it to SKU and identifiers. One thing to know, on a newer account, some of these sections start folded, so click a section header if you don't see its fields. Ardent Seller has already generated a SKU for you. Type your own, or hit the sparkle button to regenerate. Then, set the retail price under pricing. We'll go with $18. And in initial values, enter your starting stock, 24 candles, and the cost per unit you paid, $6.50. Almost done. Scroll down to the State section and make sure it's set to active so the product is ready to use right away. Everything looks good. Hit Create Product at the bottom. And just like that, your new product is saved. And there it is. Your new Cinnamon Spice Candle is now in your product list, ready to sell. Open it any time to edit the details, add variants, or upload photos. Photo uploads need a saved item so that section appears once the product exists. That's all it takes to add a new product in Ardent Seller. If this was helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more tutorials.